Hi guys, I will explain sorting array with the zeros, ones and twos. You see this is the problem in the Geeks for Geeks. In the Geeks for Geeks, suppose if you give this input 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, the output right like this. The zeros it should be in the left side and twos it should be in the right side and ones are in the middle. The same here also. You see if we give input this array, then output it should be like this. All zeros it should be the left side and all twos are at right side and ones are in middle. Okay, this is the problem. Even you see in the sort lead code also, the sort color problem here also it is. So this problem we are going to solve. Okay, first I will explain the logic how it is. Okay, you can take this. This is the array. Okay, first this array will sort first. Okay, you can take this one and this is the left index and this is the right index. This is the right index. We can take, and this is current index for the first one. Okay, the first one is, I am assuming this is the left index and this is the right index. Okay, and this is the current index. I am taking three variables. Okay, the three variables. So what I do, I will increment the first I will take this zero value, the first index. Okay, if it is 0, what I will do, so I will increment it to first because the zeros it is already set. Okay, I will increment left index and current index. Okay, copy this. Okay, I will increment. I'm not doing anything here. Okay, let me increment this one. Left index and current index is 1 and right index as it is. This is the right index. Okay, what is the current index value? Current index value is 1. So suppose the value is 1, what you have to do, just increment the current index. Don't do anything. Okay, just increment the current index. What is the current index? Current index is the here. If you increment, where it will go, it will go to the current index, it will go to one increment, it will come to here. What about the left index and right index? Left index and right index as it is. Okay, don't change anything here. In this case, if it is 1, value is 1, then don't change. What is the current value now? Now it is 2. Suppose if it is 2, what you have to do, you have to swap with the right index. Okay, swap with the right index. Okay, swap with right index. Okay, let me swap. Okay, what it will come here? So after swapping, what it will come? The 2 it will go here and 2 it will come. Okay, so in this case, what you have to do, you have to decrement the right index. So right index it will come here. Okay, and increment the current index. Sorry, don't increment the current index. Current index keep it as it is. Okay, this is the current index. Don't make any change for current index. Okay, if it is value 2. Okay, and left index as it is. Okay, now copy this. Wait, what is the current value? Current index value 2. Suppose if it is 2, what you have to do, you have to swap with right index. Where is the right index? Right index is this one. You have to swap. Okay, swap with the right index. Okay, okay, after swapping, let me arrange this array. Okay, 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 let me swap. After swapping, 1 it will come here and 2 will be here. 2 will be here, right? Okay, so you have to decrement the right index. Can you decrement right index? Suppose if you decrement right index, where it will come? Here it will come. Okay. Where is the what is the current index? Current index don't make any change because whenever it is 2, just decrement. Current index don't change. Okay. What is the left index as it is? Left index is as it is. Okay. Now come here. Okay. What is the current index value? 1. If it is 1, just increment. Don't do anything. Okay. Just increment. Okay. Just increment it to here. Increment it to here. And what about left and right index as it is? Left index is this one and right index is this one as it is. Okay, but current index value is 0. Suppose if it is 0, what you have to do? The current index value is 0. Then what you have to do? You have to swap with the left index. Swap with the left index. Okay. Let me arrange this in new array. So once you swap, this is 0 and this is 1. Okay. Now you see here 0 0 1 1 2 2. So you see that what is the condition? You see current index and right index is already reached. So whenever it is reached, you have to swap. Once you swap, then it is done. Sorting is done. 0 0 at left side and 2 2 is right side and 1 is the middle. Okay, now we'll go to write a code. Okay, this is the array I have taken. Okay, first what I'm doing, you see what are the variables which yeah, we took left index, current index, and right index. What is the right index? Right index is the array of the length. Okay, this is 0 first. Okay, the index, left index I am assuming, no, I am giving 0, and current index also 0. Current index equal to 0. What is this right index? Right index length. Okay, or index equal to array dot length. Okay, this one. Now I'm going to iterate the array using while loop. Okay, so condition we have to write. What is the condition? You see here in down, right? So we have to iterate until current index less than or equal to r. So we have to iterate up to here, and left index is less than right index. Okay, current index is less than or equal to, less than, you see current index less than or equal to right index. Okay, and left index is always less than right index. This is the constraint this is the condition I have written. Okay, now you see, you come here. Suppose if it is 0 1 2, what we are doing, we will add the conditions. Okay, if current index equal to, if current index of value if equal to 0. Okay, else if it is 1, else wait, if it is 1, if it is 2. Okay, see, if it is 0, what we are doing? First we are doing increment, right? Left index and right index we have incremented. Okay, what we do? Left index incremented and current index also we have incremented. We'll go one by one, step by step I will explain you. Okay, If it is 1, now you see here it is 1. What we are doing? Just we are incrementing current index, nothing we are doing. So if it is 1, what we do? We will increment this. Okay, just we are incrementing this. Suppose if it is 2, okay, if it is value 2, what we are doing? Okay, 2. You see here we are swapping. See, in this here I clearly written. So the swapping happened and decremented this array. If we swap this, the same 2 it will come, and we have decremented right index array. Okay, first let me decrement and swap with the you see swap with this one and this one. Okay, current index whatever the right index value it will come here, and whatever current index value it will go here. Okay, I'm swapping. So for temporarily I'm storing this value, this and this value in the temp variables. ctemp current index value. Okay, I'm storing into the one temporary array, one temporary value, not array. Okay, and similarly I need right index I'm keeping into the or temp variable. This is right index. Okay, now swapping index equal to this one. Okay, swapping current index value with the right index, and right index current index value opposite with the right index. This is current index value, swapping with the right value. Done. Okay, this is completely done. Okay, now you come here. What we have done? Okay, now left index, right index. You see, if it is 0, the current index equal to 0, then we are swapping this also. Okay, if it is 0, we are swapping the same. Whatever we added, this one, right? This is ctemp, this is L. Okay, and left side index I'm swapping. Done. Simple. Code is simple. The only we have to remember this one. Okay, whenever it is 0, we are incrementing left index and current index, and whenever we are incrementing, sorry, whenever the current index value equal to 1, then just we are incrementing. Okay, current index we are incrementing. Suppose whenever the value equal to current index value equal to 2, then we are swapping with the right index and decrementing. You see, we are swapping and decrementing. Okay, whenever current index value equal to 0, then you can swap. Okay, now you see, let me debug and show you. You see here 0 0 1 1 2 2, right? It's swapped. Okay, I have one more array. Let me take this also. Okay, this also it should swap. Oh, sorry, it should sort. You see, all zeros and ones and twos, right? Yeah, now it is working fine. Thank you. Thanks for watching.